You got a box. It says one funnel away challenge. Didn't you already do this?
Hey, this is Why with Creative Habits Podcast, and this is an unboxing of the One Funnel Away Challenge. All right, so the One Funnel Away Challenge, the box came, opened it like this. Okay, so the box is open. This is the second time I've actually taken the challenge. Here is one of...
I thought you were a minimalist. Don't you already have that book?
I always say 2 books are better than 1. This is actually one of the silent heroes of the challenge because in this book, 30 different experts lay out a plan to go from scratch to success. 30 days, 30 different experts. Read this at night and you will sweat wisdom by the morning. Beyond the book, of course, 2 Comic Club coaching. Really kind of cool, but more of an upsell for their other stuff. This is the meat of the challenge. And here's the workbook. Now, I know what you're thinking, workbook, school, whatever. Follow the whole thing and fill this out, and you'll make a lot more than you do in school. So the workbook just makes it a lot easier to keep organized and stay on top of the challenge because I'm telling you, when you go through this, it goes fast, like really fast. My favorite part of the box is right here. See that, baby? This box contains the MP3 player. Now, we didn't get that with the first challenge. This MP3 player holds all the content from the first challenge. Now just think about that. That's 2 challenges in one. 2 challenges in one. Now, to be truthful, there's a lot of similar content in here, but there's one magic element that's not. Steve Larson.
Boom! Wow! What's up?
Steve Larson goes live every single day of the challenge. Well, not every single day, but almost every single day. And then there's Q&A coaching from Julie Stone. Now, both of those things together make each challenge a little bit different. Plus, they do some tweaks and surprises along the way. So, I have to say, this is one of my favorite elements of the whole thing. But still, the unsung hero is within this 30 days. Most of the time, people are too busy doing the challenge to realize the goldmine that's in this book. This is a challenge in and of itself. The videos you get walking through each person's funnel. I mean, to be truthful, the funnel is just a tool. I mean, think about it. It's just pages, right? The real magic is the hook, story, offer. Create an irresistible offer for your audience. Hook them in, keep them there with the story, and then boom, you got something that works. By the end of 30 days, if you follow through with this challenge, who knows where you could be? But if you don't, well, you'll probably still be where you are. So if you want to take the challenge, check the link below. Go there and sign up. It's well worth taking. Thanks a lot for watching this unboxing of the One Funnel Away Challenge. And thank you, Stephen, one of a kind, Julie Stone, and Russell Brunson. See you in the next challenge.